Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube username on mobile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube on your smartphone, or you can do that on iPhone as well. Then you simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right, and then you need to click on your channel, and here you can see a pencil icon. Click on that, and here you can see handle. Click on this pencil icon, and here you can change the username. So let me select for an example this one, and here you can see that visible to all users on YouTube. You can change your handle back within 14 days. So after that you simply need to click on save. So this is a process by which you can change your username for your YouTube channel on your smartphone. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.